Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Peace Research Center. This is Suleiman back again with new interesting GK video about Indian Parliament. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Question number 1. Where is the new Parliament House of India is located? Options: Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi. Can you guess the right answer? The right answer is option D, New Delhi. The new Parliament House of India has been located at Rafi Marg in the city of New Delhi. Moving to the question number 2. Who is the chief architect of the new Parliament House? Options: Bimal Patel, Lowry Baker, Ram V. Sutar, Paribor Sahaba. The right answer is option A, Bimal Patel. Bimal Hasmukh Patel is an architect from Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. He designed the new Parliament House of India in the city of New Delhi. Moving to the question number 3. How many rupees coin has been launched on the inauguration of the new Parliament House of India? Options: rupees 50, rupees 75, rupees 25, rupees 60. The right answer is option B, rupees 75. Moving to the question number 4. Whose car has no number plate in India? Options: President, Police, Collector, Prime Minister. The right answer is option A, President. Moving to the question number 5. How many seats are there for the Lok Sabha in the new Parliament House? Options: 550 seats, 680 seats, 988 seats, 900 seats. The right answer is option C, 888 seats. 550 seats were there for the Lok Sabha in the old Parliament House. That's it for today's video. Let's meet you next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.